Chapter 19. How to use your subconscious mind to remove fear. Chapter 19 focuses on using the power of the subconscious mind to remove fear, identifying it as a major obstacle to success and well-being. The chapter explains how fear is developed and how it can be overcome by understanding and applying techniques to harness the power of the subconscious mind. Key concepts related to fear. The chapter introduces several key concepts related to fear. Fear as a negative thought. Fear is identified as a negative thought pattern that can be replaced with constructive thoughts. The power of the subconscious. The subconscious mind is very responsive to the nature of your thoughts and beliefs, and will act accordingly. Normal versus abnormal fear. The chapter differentiates between normal fear, which is an innate self-preservation mechanism, and abnormal fear, which arises from imagination and negative thinking. The source of fear. Most fears are not innate but are learned from external influences such as parents, relatives, and teachers. Love as the antidote to fear. Love is presented as an emotional attachment to the good things of life and a powerful way to cast out fear. Techniques for removing fear. The chapter outlines specific techniques for using the subconscious mind to overcome fear. Do the thing you fear. Facing your fears directly is a way to diminish their power. Positive affirmations. Using positive statements about your ability to overcome fear can reprogram the subconscious mind. The mental rehearsal. Creating a mental movie of yourself succeeding in the situation you fear can help to diminish that fear. Relaxation. Getting into a relaxed state can help to reduce anxiety and access the power of the subconscious mind. Substitution. Replacing fearful thoughts with thoughts of confidence, love, success, and the positive outcome you want to achieve can help diminish fear. Living in the expectation of good. The chapter emphasizes the importance of living in the joyous expectancy of good to combat the negative thought patterns related to fear. Or faith. Having faith in God and in the good is identified as a powerful tool against fear. Examples of overcoming fear. The chapter provides several examples to illustrate how these techniques can be applied. Overcoming stage fright. A student overcame fear of public speaking by affirming his ability to speak with poise and confidence. Overcoming fear of failure. A medical student who experienced temporary amnesia during exams learned to replace his fear of failure with thoughts of success. Overcoming a fear of enclosed spaces. An individual overcame their fear of elevators by blessing them. Overcoming fear of water. An individual can use mental rehearsal to imagine that they are swimming successfully. Dealing with political opposition. A government official maintained inner peace by realizing a deep inner ocean of peace which allowed him to overcome fear and conflict. Practical steps to implement. The chapter suggests the following practical steps to overcome fear. Identify the fear. Recognize the specific fear you want to overcome. Affirm your mastery. Use positive affirmations to assert your power over the fear. Practice mental rehearsal. Visualize yourself successfully navigating the situation you fear. Replace fearful thoughts. Whenever a fearful thought arises, immediately replace it with a positive one. Focus on love. Connect with the positive things in your life. Have faith in God and in the good outcome you want. Key principles for removing fear. You have the power to overcome fear. You have the ability to choose your thoughts and overcome any fear. Your subconscious mind is responsive. The subconscious mind will respond to your thoughts and beliefs. Fear is a learned response. Most fears are not innate, they are learned and can be unlearned. Imagination is important. The imagination can be used to overcome fear by picturing yourself successfully navigating the situation you fear. Faith and confidence are greater than fear. Believe in your ability to overcome your fears. Love overcomes fear. Connect with positive emotions and positive aspects of life to replace negative thought patterns related to fear. Focus on the positive. Focus your thoughts on what you want to achieve rather than on what you are trying to avoid. Conclusion chapter presents a guide on how to use the power of your subconscious mind to remove fear by understanding its nature and employing techniques for harnessing its potential. The chapter emphasizes that fear is a negative thought pattern that can be overcome through conscious effort and the application of specific techniques. By applying the methods outlined in the chapter, individuals can move from a state of fear to one of confidence, enabling them to achieve their goals and live more fulfilling lives. The main message is that with an understanding of the power of your mind and how to use it, you can overcome your fears and achieve what you want. The chapter promotes replacing fearful thoughts with confident and positive ones, and that, ultimately, love and faith are the most powerful tools for overcoming fear.